Hey folks, are you wondering what are your options when it comes to getting financing to buy a home? Well, I get questions from people all the time asking me just that question, and I figured, you know what? Why not just make a video so that way you have all you need to know when it comes to just ways to buy a home. And if you stick around to the very end, I'll share with you a secret or two that can help save you thousands of money on your home loan. And we're going to get after it right now. Hey everyone, welcome to Living in Kansas City channel. If this is your first time to the channel and you want to know everything that is to know about living right here in Kansas City and its surrounding area as well, subscribe below, tap that bell for notifications so you'll be the first to learn about the lifestyle here in Kansas City and what's really like living in Kansas City. I'm going to be letting you know the good, the bad, and yes, even the ugly. My name is Bilal, and you may recognize me from reality TV, but I am a native of Kansas City, and one of the things I truly love is this beautiful city of Kansas City. So I dedicated a channel all about what it's like living right here in Kansas City. I'm going to be talking about lifestyle right here in Kansas City. I'm going to be telling you what it's like to work here, eat here, play here, sleep here, breathe here, and everything in between. And also that includes real estate right here in Kansas City in the metro area. So, or what some people call the city of fountains or the Paris of plains. I get calls, I get texts, I get DMs every single day from people just like you who are looking to relocate right here in Kansas City, and I absolutely love it. So whether you're looking to move 10 days from now or 100 days from now, shoot me a call, give me a text or send me an email, and I'll be happy to help you make that smooth move right here to Kansas City. So let's jump right into it. Buying a home is one of the most exciting and important decisions that you'll ever make. It's a time of great joy, but it also could be a time of a lot of great stress. Trust me, I know all about that stress. As a realtor, I help many clients relieve a lot of stress, especially when it comes to financing their purchase of their home. Fortunately, there are a variety of home buyer programs available both nationally and locally here in Kansas City that can help make the process of buying a home more accessible and affordable. So let's dive into the world of home buyer programs and learn how they can help you achieve just your dream of home ownership or buying your next home. So first, let's talk about some of the national home buyer programs that are available to prospective home owners across the country. One of the most popular of these programs is FHA loan. An FHA loan are insured by Federal Housing Administration and are designed to help low to moderate income buyers qualify for a mortgage with a lower down payment requirement, and they're a lot less stringent when it comes to like the credit score requirements. With an FHA loan, you may be able to qualify for a mortgage with as little as 3.5% down. Yes, you heard that right. You thought you may need 20% down? Nope, that's not the case. You can qualify FHA mortgage with as little as 3.5% down and a credit score as low as 580. Another national homebuyer program to consider is a VA loan. Coming from a military family like myself and helping tons of vets, this is one of my favorite of mine. VA loans are available to veterans, active duty servicemen, eligible spouses. They are guaranteed by the Department of Veterans Affairs and offer a range of benefits, including the ability to be able to buy a home with no down payment. Yes, I said no down payment. No private mortgage insurance, PMI, and competitive interest rates. If you're a veteran or active duty service member, be sure to look into the VA loan program to see if you qualify. For those who are looking to buy a home in a rural area, the USDA loan program may be a good option as well. USDA loans are backed by the U.S. Department of Agriculture and are designed to help low to moderate income buyers as well to purchase a home designated in certain areas, rural areas specifically. These loans are competitive interest rates. They have no down payment requirement as well, and they usually have lower mortgage insurance premiums than other loan programs that are out there as well. So USDA may be something you may want to look at as well if you're in a rural area. Now let's shift our focus to home buyer programs that are available specifically right here in Kansas City. There are a variety of local programs that can help make home ownership more accessible to residents of Kansas City and the surrounding areas. One such program is Kansas City Home Ownership Program. This program, it provides down payment assistance of up to $15,000 to qualify home buyers who are purchasing homes in designated areas throughout Kansas City. To be eligible for this program, you must meet income and credit score requirements and complete a home buyer education course. Another program to consider is the Neighborhood Lift program. This program provides down payment assistance of up to $15,000 to eligible home buyers in Kansas City and other select cities across the country as well. But this program is administered by Wells Fargo and provides funds to help down payment and closing costs. To qualify for this program, you must meet income and credit score requirements as well. So complete a home buyer education course and purchase a home that is located in a designated area as well. So you can make sure you want to look out for that as well. In addition to these local programs, there are also a variety of conventional loan programs available to home buyers in Kansas City. Conventional loans are not backed by the government, and instead they offer by private lenders. These loans typically require higher credit scores, larger down payments than government-backed loan programs, but they offer more flexibility in terms of loan amounts and repayment terms. So you may also want to look at the conventional side as well. One of the biggest considerations when it comes to choosing a mortgage is whether or not you opt for private mortgage insurance. We call it PMI. PMI is a type of insurance that lenders typically require borrowers to purchase when they are unable to put down 20% or more of the home's purchase price. PMI protects the lender in case the borrower defaults on a loan. PMI can add a significant amount to your mortgage payment monthly. So it's important to understand all your options before you gotta dive right in. Okay, so here's that secret that I mentioned to you earlier. If you're considering a government-backed loan program like FHA or VA, you may be able to avoid PMI altogether. With a FHA loan, for example, you'll be required to pay mortgage insurance premiums throughout the life of the loan, but the amount of the premium is typically lower than that of a PMI. VA loans, on the other hand, do not require any type of mortgage insurance at all, which can save you a significant amount of money over the life of the loan. I'm talking thousands. So if you opt for a conventional loan, you may have the option to avoid PMI by making a larger down payment or by choosing a loan program that offers lender-paid mortgage insurance. It allows you to avoid paying a separate PMI premium, but the lender will typically include the cost of the insurance and the interest rate. They'll just throw it right up in there. So when you're deciding whether or not to opt for PMI, it's important to consider your overall financial situation and your long-term goals. So if you're planning to stay in your home for many years and you have the ability to be able to put down a large down payment, you may be able to avoid PMI altogether. However, if you need to keep your monthly mortgage payment as low as possible in order to or afford that home, it may be necessary expense. So while navigating the world home buyer programs and mortgages can be overwhelming, it's important to remember that there are a variety of options available to help you achieve your dream of home ownership. So by researching the various loan programs available and working with a knowledgeable lender, you can find the loan program that best fits your needs and budgets. And if all else fails, remember that there's always an option of buying a tiny house on wheels and hitting the open road. Just kidding. Well, sort of a little bit. Now, in all seriousness, buying a home is a big decision, but with the right information and support, it can be rewarding and a fulfilling experience. So whether you're considering a government-backed loan or a program or a conventional loan, take the time to explore your options and find the loan programs that's right for you. If you find a good lender, feel free to reach out. And I'll be happy to share some of my contacts with you on some of the local lenders in the area that provide exceptional service. So there you have it, folks. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, hey, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you're thinking about moving to Kansas City, be sure to get in touch with me. Think of me as your personal tour guide and your real estate expert. I'll help you find the perfect place to call home in this amazing city or in the surrounding areas. So whether you're looking to move, whether it's 10 days from now or 100 days from now, give me a call, shoot me a text, or send me an email. I'll be happy to help you make that smooth move right here in Kansas City. And until next time, folks, well, I hope to see you around town.